Tips and tricks number 8, fraction templates. See all the cool things you can do with these fraction templates. Right, so if you press alpha y equals, which is the F1 menu, here are the fraction templates. You have a fraction template, you have a mixed number template. You can go back and forth between fraction and mixed number, and back and forth between fraction and decimal representations. So let's look at those. Let's go ahead and first add two fractions. So I'm going to go ahead and press 1 or enter to get a fraction template. And let's go with maybe 2/3. Press the right arrow to get out from the denominator, plus, and then 4/5. Alpha y equals is where I can get the fraction template, or alpha x t theta n, whichever one you prefer. And press enter. And I'm getting a fraction. I'd like to rewrite that as a mixed number. So I can press alpha y equals again. And number 3 converts from one form to the other. So I'll press enter, and it says take my last answer, which was this fraction, and write it as the other one, which is 1 7/15. If I press enter again, it'll take that answer and reverse it back. So just so you know how that works there, okay? All right, also I may want to see the decimal equivalent for this fraction. So again, I'll press alpha y equals, and number 4 converts from one to the other. So it says take my last answer was a fraction and write it as the other way, a decimal. If I press enter, it'll take the decimal and go back to a fraction. So again, keep that in mind. And there are other things you can play with here, but we'll just end it at here.